So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys some of our ornaments on the tree, some of our Christmas decorations. So check it out. We have cute little Stitchy over here. His little sweater says naughty. And he has a snowball in his hand. I don't know what he's gonna do. I don't know. But I love that one. I got that several years ago. I don't remember. Was it at Disney or Disney Store? I don't remember. But I love that one. And then here's another Stitchy one. Here's Lilo and Stitch. She has a I thought she had mistletoe. Oh, the mistletoe's up here, yeah. And she's giving him a kiss. Super cute. And then this one is a new one this year that my best friend Maria got me. Check it out. How cute is he? It's little Stitchy eating a gingerbread. Isn't he cute? Look at his face. And then we have, this is a pair of ears I actually got from HannahMarieMagic.com. I love her ears, and she made ornaments this year. And I love that one. They're peppermint colors. And we have the Mickey gingerbread from last year. I love this Tinkerbell too. I had that one from several years ago. And then I bought this one this year. So this is the peppermint ears. And I have the rose gold ears, which I love. So I have 3 pairs of ears on the tree. I don't quite have an ear tree yet, but I've got 3 pairs. I love this one too. This is one Dad gave me whenever what was it, for our wedding shower for Dale and I, because he said I was his princess. I thought that was super cute. And we have the Osborne Spectacle of Dancing Lights ornament from 2015. This is the pass holder ornament. I don't want to drop it, but it says pass holder there on the back. I love that one of my favorites. And the Just Married one, Dale and I, when we got married, I like that one a lot as well. I got this one just this year, and it is a Starbucks cup. I got it at the local Starbucks here in Orlando. It says Florida. Actually, I think I got it at Disney Springs at the Starbucks, but I just love it because, you know, I love my iced coffees from Starbucks, so that one was perfect. And then I got this one last year. This is the Starbucks cup from Disney. I love that one. And here's a little piglet down here. He's super cute. And then Donna got me this Starbucks one this year for my birthday. I love that one. It was very pretty. Here's another one from Dale and I from our wedding. Love that one. And this one is from our anniversary, or actually not anniversary, our honeymoon. We stayed in Santa Monica, so we got an ornament. I thought that was super cute. There's sand and different seashells and different things in there. Another one of my favorites is Miss Chloe here. She has a whole little section. And then here is Chloe's footprint, one of my absolute favorite ones. Her little paw print. It says Chloe, and we made this in 2014. Here's another one. I didn't paint this one. I painted that one. But I just left this one, painted it on the side. Love that. And then I have several little doggies here. So this is the doggy section. I love doggies. Some of them are Disney, some of them aren't. And then here's Gus, Gus, and Jack, Jack. I got these when we were little. Actually, I think they were in a McDonald's Happy Meal. I'm actually not sure. If you guys remember that, let me know. But I thought these were super cute. And I always, when I was little, I always had to put them towards the bottom of the tree so that, you know, they could jump down and have fun during the night when we were sleeping. But yeah, here's a cool Mickey Pirates of the Caribbean one. And then of course I love my 2 castles, the Disneyland castle and our Disney World castle there. We actually just bought this one this year. How cool is this one? I have never seen this one before, but it's from Germany. And Chris and Maria got this one for us because we actually spent Christmas Eve together at Epcot, and it was a lot of fun. And look at that on the back. Isn't that cool? It's like the inside of the restaurant there and the outside of the pavilion. I thought that was super cute. I love this one too. Dale's sister made this one for us. Super cool. I like that one. Resort TV 1 live at Disney. Here's our pickle. We actually got this in Germany, but I know everybody said that's not an actual German tradition, but we did get it when we were in Germany, so I thought that was pretty cool. And oh, we got this one on one of our cruises when we went to Key West. I love that. Here's my little Mickey Snow, which I thought was super cute. I got this one, oh, I don't know, several years ago, I think before Dale and I were married. I wish they'd make more of these because I need a mini one now. Mickey over here, looks like he has Duffy. Again, this was from several years ago, and he used to dance and sing a song, but he doesn't really work anymore, but he's still cute. And this is where we keep our stockings because we don't have a fireplace here in Florida. We always had a fireplace growing up and in our house in Indiana, but this is, you know, this will work. So we've got our stockings here. Mom made mine and Dale's, and then this is Chloe's. It's hard to see, but it has little footprint or paw prints all over it. And then I have my little Dumbo, Santa Dumbo over here. And actually we got this when we were in Germany too, a little boot. This is what they serve the glühwein in. I love that. Does it have the year on it? I don't think it does. Nope, no year. So Chloe thought it would be fun to show you guys some of her Christmas outfits. So this was one of the first ones we got for her. How cute is this? We picked it up at Target, and this was years ago when we lived in Indiana. But how cute is this little jacket? It's a little big on her, but the other size was too snug. So she's like in between sizes, but I thought this was so cute, and has a cute little striped skirt back there and a hood. Even has places you could put the ear through. She doesn't like the hood, do you, baby? We don't keep it on very much, do we? No, but it is cute, isn't it? Yes, it is. And one year, I even sewed some little Minnie Mouse ears onto here, and she was a little Minnie Mouse for Halloween. Weren't you? Were you a Minnie Mouse? Do you want to show them your other costumes? Or not costumes, but other Christmas outfits? Yeah? Okay. So here is her next little Christmas coat, actually. And we got this again in Indiana because it was super duper cold there. And we thought this was cute, and it's very warm. It has a fleece in there. Are you done? Come here. Come here. So there's a little fleece in there, keep her nice and warm. Of course, she doesn't need it very much here in Indiana, or in Florida, right? You don't need it here in Florida, do ya? Maybe, actually Christmas and yesterday was pretty chilly here and this morning. But I just thought it was adorable with the houndstooth, cute little pockets back there. It's like a church coat, right? Wear that to church. Isn't that cute? Yeah. All right, we have a few more to show them. So here's the next one. So this one is the spirit jersey from last year, and Mimi and Papa, that's what Chloe calls my mom and dad. So mom and dad got this for Chloe to match me because I have the same spirit jersey. And if you're following us on Instagram, Chloe and I took a really cute picture in this last year, and I just thought it was adorable. Of course, it has all the Christmas snacks on the back there, and the same lettering as my spirit jersey. And we look so cute, don't we, when we twin in our spirit jerseys? Chloe, do you and Mama look cute? Do you and Mama look cute? We do, don't we? Yeah. So we have, I think, 2 more to show you guys. So this is this year's spirit jersey, and Aunt Maria got this for Miss Chloe to match Mommy again, to match me. I have the same spirit jersey, and we actually use this for our Christmas cards, and I posted a picture of us twinning in these. So this is the second year we've done this, right, Chloe? Yeah. I wonder what next year's spirit jerseys will look like. Are we going to twin in those too? Yes, we are. All right, one more thing to show you guys. All right, here is our last Christmas outfit here, and these are her Christmas jammies that she got from Mimi and Papa this Christmas, didn't you? How cute are these? With the plaid and little reindeer Pluto back there. So cute. And then look here, there's even like little buttons. They're actually Velcro, so they're easier to put on, but they look like buttons, don't they, Chloe? You wore these, didn't you, on Christmas Eve and on Christmas morning? You were so cute. So yes, definitely make sure you're following us on Instagram, right, Chloe? Because we post some cute pictures and stories sometimes, don't we? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed checking out some of Miss Chloe's Christmas outfits. Chloe loves her outfits, don't ya? Alright guys, well that is it. Hope you enjoyed checking out some of Chloe's Christmas outfits and some of our ornaments and decorations. I know it's different than being at the parks, but you know, we've been hanging out at home, enjoying time with family, so I thought you guys might enjoy it, and I thought it would be fun to look back on as well and see Miss Chloe and all her cute little outfits. But give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment down below which one of Chloe's Christmas outfits was your favorite. Definitely subscribe if you're new, And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki. He is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful Christmas and New Year. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.